everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I have another wash day routine. So first I'm going to go ahead and get started by completely saturating my hair, and I like to do this before I go in with my shampoo. I'm going to go in with the Olaplex 4C shampoo to clarify my hair. I do wash my hair every 3 weeks, so I do make sure that I clarify to remove all of the buildup from the previous weeks. And I like to drag this down throughout the length of my hair as well. And I'm just going to go in with my HEETA shampoo scalp brush just to remove that dandruff and buildup from my scalp. I absolutely love this shampoo brush. Then I'm going to go ahead and rinse out that first shampoo that I did just to completely get the shampoo out of my hair, because I do like to go in with a second shampoo to thoroughly remove all the buildup. And that's what you see here. I'm going in with that second shampoo. I basically wash, rinse, and repeat that process. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I do show the ladies on my channel how to heat train your hair without damage. So if you're heat training, you don't want that heat damage, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So now I'm just going ahead and rinsing out that second shampoo that I did. And as you see, my hair is reverting very nicely. No heat damage here. Very, very healthy hair. And I did do my Olaplex treatment my previous wash day. So Olaplex helps to maintain your curls and to make sure that, you're preventing the split ends, the heat damage, all that stuff. So next I'm going to go in with my Amika deep conditioning mask. This is something new that I've been trying out, and I did mention this in my previous video, my regimen video that I did a few months ago. I've been loving the Amika Soul Food deep conditioning mask, and I'm just saturating my hair with this. It keeps it really moisturized, very hydrated in between wash days. Absolutely love it. And I am going in with my UNbrush to detangle my hair, starting from the ends, working my way up to the roots so I don't cause any breakage or damage or anything like that. Absolutely love this detangling brush. So I did go ahead and put on my processing cap, and I set under my heated cap for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and wash the deep conditioner out of my hair. So the deep conditioner's all rinsed out of my hair. This is what my curls are looking like. Very, very nice and healthy. So now I'm going to go in with my Kenra Luxe One blow dry lotion before I go in to blow dry my hair. I think I used about 5 pumps of this. I don't like to go too crazy with products these days because my hair gets greasy and weighed down so easily. Now I'm going to go in with my Tresemme Heat Tamer Spray, as well as extra heat protection before I go in to blow dry my hair. Just an extra step that I like to do. And now I'm just going in. This is my Tymo Airhype Lite blow dryer. Absolutely love this blow dryer. And I have a video and review on this blow dryer. And then I did go in with my Olivia Garden Wood paddle brush. I love to use this to blow dry my hair. It gives my hair It gets my hair really nice, you know, because sometimes in the past I would blow dry and my hair would come out super puffy. The ends would not be as straight as I would like, and absolutely love this paddle brush and blow dryer. And I like to kind of stretch my hair out first just to get it dry a little bit before I go in with the paddle brush. So as you can see, I'm just going to demo a few sections on my hair so that you can see how I do my blow dry process. And I do have that processing cap on my head as well, just so that the rest of my hair doesn't dry out as I'm blow drying my hair, just in case you're wondering. Here is what my hair looks like after it is blow dried, looking really good. Next, I'm going to go in with some more Tresemme Heat Tamer Spray before I do my silk press. This is something that I've recently done. I don't go in with the Cheese Silk Infusion before my silk presses anymore because it's been leaving my hair really weighed down and greasy. But anyway, I am going in with my Remington Pearl Flat Iron. I do have a review on this as well as my Bristle Chase brush to get my hair really sleek, but not too sleek, because I do use a lower heat setting. This time I use 370 degrees because I find that when I use 390, which I was previously using, that my hair's getting a little bit too weighed down after the first week post wash day. So I am using a lower heat setting as well currently, just so that my hair doesn't get so flat. And I'm just going through sections of my hair, taking smaller sections just to get my hair straight but not pin straight. I do like to see some texture in my hair still. So here is what my hair is looking like. Looks really nice and shiny, not super pin straight. Now I'm gonna go in with my Cheese Silk Infusion just to add at the very top of my hair where I do have some flyaways. Just a little bit, because as I said before, my hair gets super weighed down easily. Here is what my hair is looking like. You know, I have to do a few slow-mos and swing my hair around a little bit for you guys. But here it is. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.